is Deja with Indianapolis Off Leash K9 Training. Today I have Roscoe. Roscoe is a 2-year-old Doberman. Roscoe is coming to us to our 1-week freedom board and train program. Biggest thing with Roscoe is he does not like to stay in a command. He's not very consistent. He's very distractible. He doesn't really have a whole lot of confidence right now. Sometimes he gets a little bit nervous about things, so they have no idea what his past was like. He can be very, very super excited. He likes to pull a little bit, jumps a little bit onto some people that he knows. But as you can tell, he's a very sweet boy. He's got a few little battle scars all over his little face. But other than that, let's go ahead and see what he knows real quick. Ready? Are you ready, bud? All right. Can Roscoe come? Can Roscoe sit? Oh, what a good boy. Can Roscoe, let's go to sit. Hey, Roscoe, can you come? Can you come? Can you come? Hey, Roscoe, come. Roscoe, come. Hey, Roscoe, can you come? Can you come? What about sit? Sit? Roscoe, sit? Sit? What about place? Can you place? Can you place? Can you place? What about place? Can you place? Can you place? Can you place? Hey, Roscoe, place? What about come? 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 Roscoe, sit? Sit? Roscoe, sit? Sit? As you can tell, he's very distracted. We did get a sit out of him. He got a little bit distracted right after we did a come there, but he doesn't really know what place is. Doesn't really have any patience with the commands. So we look forward to making him a great off-leash canine companion. Roscoe, come. Good boy. Roscoe, sit. Good. Break. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yes. Roscoe, place. Hi, how are you? Come on in.
Good. I got some of those zinnia seeds for you.
Okay.
It's like,
Here, I can take those. Thank you.
you're welcome. You have time for a cup of coffee?
Yeah. Roscoe, break. Good boy.
Hi, Roscoe. Hi.
Good job.
Good, Roscoe.
Thank you. So this is Roscoe's food manners before any kind of work. So as you can tell, he has no patience whatsoever. Has no, won't even let me get away from it. So he goes directly for it. Alright, after a bit of work, we've got a little tastier treat. Stop, we got some chicken and fries. We're going to do his food manners with Dex. Take Roscoe, please. Yes, sit. Roscoe, please. Sit. Sit. Roscoe, please. Go away, sit. Roscoe, sit. My dog was up every day. Good boy. Roscoe, come. Yes, sit. Sit. Break. Good.
Yes, you can go get some.
Roscoe, place. Break.
Good job. Okay.
Roscoe, place. Roscoe, break.
Good job.
Place.